Isaac, Rich, maybe I'll go with you first. What are you excited about in 22 and beyond?
Well, I'm excited about the global supply chain settling out a little bit. That's sort of an obvious question. I think if you're in the outdoor space or any manufacturing space, you probably and likely felt with that. But I'm really interested in learning more about our customer through first party data. Uh, I think working with Tadpull and getting into the pond and all that stuff is not only fascinating, but it really allowing us insights that we never thought we could have a couple of years ago. And getting more of that through as we get more people on the site and interfacing with the site. I think bringing functionality that can help us differentiate ourselves as a brand and really cement our brand narrative, I think is really going to be interesting. And we're evaluating some things there. And the good thing about that headless solution is bolting those things on is not that big of a pain. And then talking to our current customers and finding out how they can be better advocates. So exploring things like loyalty and how they can help us grow our business. We have tremendous, our net promoter score of 72. That's pretty nice. I'm happy to see data like that. And so how can we leverage the goodwill out there for the Oboz brand and bring more people into the tent, and then ultimately just introducing the brand to people who've never heard of us. We still have a fairly low brand recognition. Our brand recognition is not as high as it needs to be, and that's our task in the marketing and brand side, and really pulling more people into the experience, because we know once we do and we get footwear on their feet that we're going to have friends for life. So that's what I would say.